Okay, is this video real or not? Well, the answer is no, this is not a real video. It was something that was generated by an AI model from Google called VO3. So essentially, this is just an AI generated video. There are some giveaways, like first, the physics are all over the place. And secondly, if there is something big happening like this, then you'll know that in the news. However, there are some videos that are more down to earth and they are more challenging to be analyzed. One example is this one. Take a look.
There's nothing good in here. Should we just order pizza instead?
Oh my gosh, yes. Let's get pepperoni.
Okay, is this video AI or not? Well, if you have been on the internet for quite some time, I think you'll know the answer. But for many people, it's difficult, if not impossible, to analyze the authenticity of a video like this. But fortunately, there is a tool called SynthID from Google that we can use to check or verify the authenticity of the video. So basically, is it real or if the video was AI generated? Let me show you how you can use it. Let's open Gemini. And after that, I do recommend to open settings and then go to connected apps. And after that, let's scroll down and make sure that SynthID is enabled. So this is a built-in tool in Gemini that you can use to verify if medias like images, videos, and audios are made with Google AI or not. And basically every type of content, every single piece of content that was created by the models from Google will have this SynthID invisible watermark. Now let's start a new chat and I'm going to just upload that video. Let me just drag and drop that into this area and you can ask Gemini a simple question like, is this video AI or not? You can also add another instruction like use SynthID. It is not mandatory, but there is nothing wrong of adding that extra instruction. So just use the SynthID tool, and after that, you can select either using fast, thinking, or pro. Now, I will use fast, but the thinking and pro are very interesting, and I'll talk about it later. But for now, let's just use the fast mode. Let's send a message. And just wait for Gemini to analyze the content of the video. It will check some invisible watermark using SynthID, and there you go. I have checked the video using SynthID and it shows that all or part of it was made with Google AI. Looking closely, you can see some common AI signs and yeah, something like that. Now basically it can confirm that the video was generated by some models from Google, and it was right because I just got this video from this official X page from Google. So it is definitely an AI generated video. But there is one thing here that you need to know. This SynthID tool will only work on content that was generated by models from Google, like the video model, the Gemini Nano Banana, and also the music from the Lyria model. So if you're using a video, let's say from Sora, then unfortunately this tool cannot utilize the SynthID tool. However, Gemini is just very good at doing things, so it can at least give you some insights if the video was real or AI generated. So let me just test this tool again, but this time around I'm going to be using the video from Sora. So I got this video. Let me just upload that video into Gemini and I'll just ask the same question. Is this video real or AI? And then use SynthID tool. And now here you can select thinking or pro, because if you're using thinking or pro, then AI will analyze the visual of the video more thoroughly, and therefore it can spot a few subtle signs that could be considered as AI videos. It's not always perfect, but it is a nice tool to be utilized. So if you have the access for the thinking or the pro mode, I highly recommend to enable that, because AI will not only just utilizing the SynthID tool, but also will analyze the content visually, so it will give you a much better answer. But the downside is the answer is going to be it's going to take a lot longer to be generated because, well, it's just a much bigger AI mode. And there you go. So we got the answer. Based on the visual analysis of the video, it is almost certainly AI generated. Okay, the hat color change. Well, I didn't notice that. Physical impossibility. A snowman made loose, no snakes, lacks the internal structure, weight distribution, and muscle needed to balance a snowboard. Yeah, I mean, I was thinking like this could be a video that was created for a movie or some viral video on the internet. It could be something that's real in a way, like it's a movie or some fun video project. But yeah, it is just assuming that it is a real snowman riding a snowboard, which doesn't make any sense. And yeah, basically it's at least able to analyze the video much deeper than using the fast mode. And I think you can also use this Gemini tool to analyze the authenticity of a video, even though that content wasn't created by the models from Google. So yeah, that's essentially how you can use Gemini to tell if the video was real or AI generated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.